how to set Galaxy AI for secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, so scroll down and click on more security settings. So after click on more security settings, so click on secure folder. So after click on secure folder, now here showing you Galaxy AI. So after click on Galaxy AI, now here showing you sign in Google account, email and sign in. So after sign in your email account. So now here showing you call assist and interpreter not assist, transcript assist, you will see showing here. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set Galaxy AI for secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.